Forces acting on a horizontal surface. A horizontal surface. There is no angle. We have 5 kg block being pushed to the right. Always start by drawing what? Free body diagram. Normal force, gravitational force, force applied, the opposer, frictional force. These block 1, these are notes to remember when dealing with horizontal surface questions. Always start by drawing what? Free body diagram. You will see that normal force is equal to Fg, but in opposite direction. Normal force is acting upwards, Fg is acting downwards. The equation or formula, the formula for Fg is equals to mg. Direction is downwards. So the formula for Fn, we are going to use mg, but what? Upwards. Frictional force. The formula for frictional force is equals to coefficient multiplied by normal. When we break normal, normal is equals to what? Mg. So it's coefficient, open bracket, mg, close bracket. Forces acting on an inclined surface. Now we have what? Inclined surface. We have 5 kg being pushed upwards. Theta, angle, will always produce what? Inclined surface. Always start by drawing what? Your free body diagram. Normal force is always perpendicular to the surface. Normal force is always what? Perpendicular to the surface. Fn, our normal force, Fg perpendicular. Fg perpendicular. Force applied, Fg parallel, frictional force. So instead of drawing Fg here, we are going to draw what? Fg perpendicular and Fg parallel. Why? Because of we have what? An inclined surface. So Fg, as we know that Fg is the force that is acting downwards, but Fg perpendicular, it's Fg, but what? On a perpendicular direction, And Fg parallel, it's Fg is the force that is acting downwards, but it's acting downwards but parallel to the what? To the surface. So if this is our surface, Fg parallel, it has to what? It has to act downwards but parallel to the surface. So the formula for Fg perpendicular is equals to what? Mg cos theta. So now we have inclined surface. Normal force is no longer equals to Fg, but Fg perpendicular. Normal force is now equals to what? Fg perpendicular. So the formula for Fg perpendicular is mg cos theta, meaning that the formula for Fn is going to be what? Mg cos theta. Write down the formula for Fg parallel. So the formula for Fg parallel is equals to what? It's going to be mg sine theta. It's going to be mg it's going to be mg sine theta. The formula for frictional force is equals to what? Coefficient multiplied by normal. We have to break normal. So when we break normal, because of we are dealing with an inclined surface, normal is going to be what? Mg cos theta, not just mg, because of now we are dealing with what? an incline surface. G is constant, always 9.8 meters per second squared.